It's your boy, Alex Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another speaker. We have the ZEALOT S67. This thing is amazing. I bought these handles for it because, you know, guys, I don't like straps. Back in the 90s, as far as I can remember, me growing up, there was no strap speakers. There was no speakers you would put over your shoulder. You know, every speaker had a handle. You know, Samsung, Sony, they all had handles. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like strap speakers. I don't know. Just the nostalgia of having that strap around the shoulder makes me feel like you're carrying a purse. I'm sorry, but that's just my personal opinion, and that's why I don't support speakers with a strap. This one, I had ordered it by mistake, you know, when I was ordering, because I was like, oh, snap. There was one that had the handle that was just like this. It was like little two hooks, and then the handle was like flatter to the body like this, and that's the one that I thought I ordered. But since I ordered this speaker back in 2022 and never unboxed it till this year, so imagine, I had this speaker for 3 years. So shout out to ZEALOT for making great batteries. The battery never went bad or anything after 3 years of being in my room stored. So, you know, moving forward, that's another reason why they buy the new TripBit, because I don't know why TripBit wants to follow the trend that I don't care for. And a lot of people don't like straps, let's be honest. That's what I don't like about the new the Charge 6. I didn't take it back because I love JBL. That thing was costing me money on my T-Mobile business bill. It was like $216 with taxes. But I really wanted it. I don't like the fact it doesn't have a handle either, though. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to try it out. You know what I'm saying? So that's why. And the Charge 6 never had handles. So, you know, just like the Flip. The Flip is a smaller speaker. I didn't expect it to have a handle. You know, I think the only speaker on JBL's whole lineup that has a handle is the freaking Boombox. The Boombox 3, the Boombox 4, the Boombox 2, the Boombox 1. They're the only ones that have handles. So, you know, I'm the type of guy that really doesn't like speakers without a handle. That's just me. I mean, everybody else doesn't mind, but I care. And when I'm spending my hard-earned money from work, you know, and from that I earn off of Amazon to buy these speakers to review them for you guys, yeah, I have a say-so in it. Now, if a company is sending me one and saying, oh, here you go, just review it, give it your honest review, then that's a whole different story. But every speaker that you've seen unboxed on this channel has came out of my pocket. It's not free. I don't have sponsorships with nobody. So that being said, I bought these little handles. I will drop the affiliate link. I'll see if they got it, because it was out of stock. This speaker is amazing. It says 60 watts. It sounds like 100 watts. And I'm going to let you guys hear it. It has the little handle right here. I bought this little grip part because the one that it comes with, the strap, is big. It's really big. And the shortest it'll go, it won't go as short as this. Or I don't know how to make it as short as this. And it's so high up when I'm carrying it, it just makes me feel dumb. You know, it makes me feel dumb. So, yeah, this speaker comes with the straps, the JBL little bag with the little USB Type-C charger, because this one does do reverse charging. You could charge up your phone, your iPad, and stuff like this. And this thing has a big battery. I think this has a 8,000 milliamp battery, if I'm not mistaken. Not 600, not 800, 8,000. So this thing is hefty. This thing, I would say, at least weighs like, I don't know, 2 to 3 pounds because of that huge battery. And because it has that huge battery, and of course I bought it in blue, my favorite color, because it has that huge battery, this speaker lasts around 24 hours, according to the specs that I had seen on Amazon the last time I seen them. So it is a great speaker, guys. I'm talking a lot because, you know, the speaker is awesome. Then right here's the flap. You got to make sure this is closed for the speaker to be IP6 waterproof. You see, USB Type-C, micro headphone jack, and aux cord, and USB Type-A to Type-C to lightning port to charge up another device. So there you go. There you go. And I love ZEALOT for this. You know, this thing is amazing. They should come out with a, this is the 6.7 with the 6.8, but with a handle. That would be highly appreciated. And 75 watts, you know? And sell it at an aggressive price, sell it. So I love this ZEALOT speaker, guys. This thing is amazing. Like I said, here we got the power button. I don't know what that's for. Syncing, EQ, play, down and up. So let's play some non-copyrighted music on this thing. And right here shows you the bars of life. Right here shows you when it's charging. That's what the 5th little bar. But you see I have all 4 bars. And the thing lights up so you can see the buttons in blue. Blue's my favorite color. So I got another unboxing for you guys tomorrow, guys. I know I don't do back-to-back videos, but I'm gonna start doing back-to-back videos because I need this channel to be monetized already. And by me making videos every 3 days, I'm not really gonna get monetized. And right now that I'm not really working during the week, during the day, because I'm just not no more. That's only in school time, so I'm definitely trying to take advantage of this. So I'm definitely gonna start, like I said, making more content like every day. I'm gonna go from every 3 days to every day if I can, or every 2 days, shorten it up some. But most likely I'm gonna try every day. Take 30 minutes out my day. Okay, so let's go. And the reason why you guys never hear commercials when I'm playing these non-copyrighted songs is because I got YouTube Premium. Just in case anybody was wondering. So let's play the first song.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
I'm gonna have to grab something to hold the speaker. This is halfway, guys.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly
Let's go
above
100%.
the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
And no, that is not a custom EQ. No, this doesn't have a bassed up button. You can add more based on the EQ button, but this is the normal EQ, and that's how I love to keep it with all my Zealot speakers. So, as you guys can see, the 6.7 is a force to be reckoned with. Now let's play another one. Definitely a great speaker. Now that I bought these handles, I might actually buy handleless speakers, to be completely honest, just so I could review them and I could keep them because, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not going to be able to add an affiliate link to this speaker. It's completely sold out on Amazon. The Zealot S67. I'm going to try to put it manually to see what pops up. I know that nothing's gonna pop up because the last time I checked for it, the last time I seen it available was like in freaking, Jesus Christ, back in like February or March of this year. Let me see. Nope, it's only pulling up the other one, the 87. And these handles are great, guys. I paid $10 for two of these little handles. So like I said, now that I got these little handles, I'll buy speakers that don't have handles, just to you know, because I'll like them, because I can have a, you know, have a external handle and I can carry them. Yep. So the next speaker I'm gonna get is one that I said I wasn't gonna get, but I'm gonna get it because now I have these external little handles. So anyway, let me, yeah, they don't have it, guys, so I'm sorry, I can't, you know. They have it on AliExpress, it's $100. They have it, I think, in Shein is like $100. So yeah, so, you know, I am so sorry, guys. And I should have been freaking made a video for this speaker years ago when it was still in stock. So, you know, like I said, I know if I go to AliExpress, that's what I'm doing right now in the background, guys, I'm gonna find it. I know I'm even gonna find it on Shein, if you guys trust Shein, you know. Yeah, and they do got it here. Damn, $123, $111, $213, $131, $58. You know, it depends on what seller you're going to. You know, there's $58 ones here on AliExpress. You know, I'm gonna show you guys the different prices on the speaker. You know, everybody has different prices. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, let's try Shein to see what Shein says. Because now I feel bad, you know, because a lot of people are gonna like this speaker. The last time I unboxed it, I think this one has like 3,000 views, and it was like 3 months ago. And you know, a lot of people were asking me, and I told them Amazon had them because it's true. Okay, so here we go. Your best bet is going to Shein. Shein has them cheaper. $44, $44, $73, $52. You know, so Shein doesn't have them cheaper. 60 watts. 40 hours. I'm sorry. This thing has 40 hours of battery life. Sorry, guys. I said 24. It actually has 40. It has a 14,400 battery. Damn, no wonder it's so heavy. Yeah, my bad. I was wrong about the battery too. See right here? That's what I like about Shein. It gives you the specs. I couldn't get the specs from Amazon any longer because, you know, and how was I supposed to remember? I bought the speaker 3 years ago, back in 2022. So anyway, 14,400 milliamp battery. That's a huge battery. 40 hours of playback time. What else? It should say the waterproofing here. So they only have the black one here. I don't see the blue one. 60 watts. So it's 60 watts of raw power. But you guys hear how it sounds. See, it has the subwoofer and the 2 speakers. I don't know if these are tweeters or subwoofers as well, but I think these are tweeters. These are meant to be tweeters, I think. And somebody could correct me if I'm wrong. I know this is definitely the bass right here. You know, the subwoofer. That's what I'm trying to say. So it shows how the bass pushes out the water, which is true. If I was to put water on this one, it would do the same thing. I know it's like IPX6 waterproof. You know, but you guys could keep looking on Shein. But yeah, definitely this is the one, but in black. And I always wanted it in blue. So yeah, so let's keep going with the music. I just wanted to show you guys, be nice enough to show you guys that they have it available in other, you know, in other websites, so you guys don't get played and paid, you know, pay a lot of money for a speaker. That's definitely worth it, you know. Like Amazon used to have it for like, I forgot how much it was, for like $300, I think it was. Yeah, at one point it was like $300. Then it went down to $150, and then for Prime Day in 2022, that's when I bought it. And I paid $67 for the speaker. Yep, 67. But yeah, let's play some more music, guys. sounds like the speakers are blown. Like that beat has way too much bass, bro. If you see this, my video, I love your song. I love the beat. It's just a lot of bass. It's like muffles the song, you know. And I don't know no speaker that could, you know, play this and not sound like this. And if anybody else got a bigger speaker that you guys could think that it'll, you know, a Bose or whatever, then try it. Try it. This is the name of the song right here. It's all copyright free music. This is the name of the channel where I play my music from. It's called No Copyright Sound, which I highly recommend. Let's go to this one. Amazing. But I'm sorry, if I'm being honest, if you have a little cheap speaker, do not play this heavy and bass first video because you're gonna blow out your speaker. But let's get to the next one.
Having you around, you watch me fall apart time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without staring into your eyes. We can make it through the night. I've been thinking about the good times, wishing we could rewind. I wanna leave it all behind. You watch me fall apart. time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. The sound of my heartbeat now. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you.
Okay, guys, as you guys can see, this is a great speaker, great sounding on non-copyrighted music. It sounds amazing. I might do another shorts. I'm trying to stay away from shorts because shorts don't really get you monetized. You know, they don't really count your watch hours for shorts unless you get like 1 million views, which is hard to get. So that's why I like prefer not to do shorts. But when I want to show you how loud the sound, the speaker performs and the bass on a copyrighted music, that's why I do shorts. If it wasn't for that, then I wouldn't do shorts, to be completely honest, because shorts don't get you paid. Unless you're a big YouTuber that's getting like millions of views on shorts, then yeah. Imagine to get monetized, you gotta have 10 million short views. That's crazy. You know, for us reviewing speakers, that's like crazy. But anyway, guys, it's a great speaker. I highly recommend it. I showed you 2 places where you can get it from, AliExpress and Shein. I would go to Shein because it's cheaper on Shein than on AliExpress, to be completely honest. And I'm trying to give you the most affordable option. They sold out fast because this year, because Amazon had this one and the black one for 50 freaking bucks. And that's when I should have made the video, but you know, I was making videos on other speakers. And I was busy with work. Now I don't work every day. Before I used to work every day. So that's the big difference, guys. But anyway, enough chit chat. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are awesome. That's why I keep pushing up these videos. That's why I'm going to do it daily. You know, so, you know, because now I got more subscribers. I want to make everybody happy. But yeah, thank you so much for the support. Appreciate you guys. We're at 6,225, something like that. You know, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are freaking awesome. The people that are subscribing, you know, finding my videos, and also from my Facebook and TikTok, I appreciate you guys too. And from Twitter and from Instagram, appreciate you guys too, from all my social media platforms. So I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much for the support. Take care, God bless, and be safe. You already. And also, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. You already. And thank you for watching, guys.